Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. Another deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. A third deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. Now just breathing comfortably with your eyes closed. Breathing comfortably, and just imagine that with each breath you take in, you breathe in relaxation and positive energy. Go ahead and imagine a healing light of whatever color you like surrounding your body, so that with each breath you take in, your lungs comfortably draw in that healing light, allowing it to flow through every muscle, nerve, fiber, tissue, cell, and atom of your body. Imagine a healing shower flowing down, crystal clear water that's a perfect temperature as it flows over the top of your head, soothing and relaxing your scalp, washing away fear, doubt, anxiety, washing away anger, sadness, guilt, shame, washing away pain, frustration, disappointment, embarrassment, washing these away to reveal the light that you truly are. This unique expression of divine light and love, allowing more and more of that light to be revealed as that healing shower flows over your forehead, relaxing the muscles in your face, flowing down over the back of your head, your neck, your shoulders, washing away tension, leaving your shoulders calm, comfortable, and relaxed. Healing shower flowing down your arms, all the way down over your fingertips, down over your chest and your stomach, soothing and relaxing, healing and cleansing. And allowing yourself to remain comfortably in whatever position you choose. Allow that healing shower to flow down over your upper and lower back. And as your torso relaxes, your internal organs comfortably do whatever they need to do to achieve and maintain your optimal level of health and well-being in body, mind, and spirit. As that healing shower continues down over your body, down over your hips and your thighs, over your knees, down your lower legs, through your ankles, into your feet. And finally, that relaxation flows over your toes as you allow yourself to relax twice as much, going at least twice as deep with each number as I count backwards. 5, drifting down to 4, floating down to 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. Deeper, deeper. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. And in this calm, comfortable state of mind and body, just go ahead and imagine yourself in some really beautiful place. Some place where you allow yourself to be present to the beauty, the magnificence, the abundance of creation, allowing yourself to see things that you enjoy, things that you love. And allow yourself to remember that it is here for you as much as anyone else. And you might even imagine something beautiful that you've seen recently, some beautiful place you've been recently, maybe even earlier today. And allow yourself to recognize that you're able to see that no matter what you've been through in the past. You could go out tonight and see the stars in the sky, one of the most magnificent sights. And the stars aren't going to say, well, wait a minute, let's take a look at your past and what mistakes have you made and what's happened back then. It doesn't matter. Your opportunity to experience health, wealth, happiness, and love is not defined by what happened in the past. You have what it takes to do what it takes to create an awesome life. And just allowing yourself to acknowledge the fears that may have caused you to do things in the past, the fears that have caused you to limit yourself in the present. And allow yourself to have a lot of love and compassion for those parts of yourself. And let those parts of you see the stars up in the sky, or looking out over the ocean, or wherever you might happen to find yourself in your mind at the moment, and say, this is all still possible, even though those things happened in the past. Acknowledging that you're still here, that you have come through everything, you have overcome everything that happened in the past, such that you're still here breathing. You're still here receiving oxygen with each breath. One of those subtle ways that the universe lets you know that you are worthy and deserving. Giving yourself permission to say yes to whatever you choose. Saying, I am willing to have this or something even better for the highest good of all concerned. Allow yourself to feel good about that. Acknowledging where there might be any fear or resistance, and letting that go right now, or allowing yourself to tap away that stuff later. And really setting yourself free to let things get better and better. Feeling more confident in your ability to do so as we go even deeper now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. In a moment, I'll count you back up. From 0 up to 5. 5 will be wide awake, alert, focused, and energetic, feeling much better than before, feeling much more confident in yourself. Much more aware that the world is your oyster. There are so many wonderful things out there available to you. Regardless of what happened in the past. And maybe because of the lessons you've learned from the past, you have an even greater ability to make things better and better. Allowing yourself to bring with you all the positive lessons that allow you to live a happier, healthier life. And allowing yourself to let go and leave behind the misunderstandings that held you back. Tonight, when you choose to go to sleep, don't be surprised when you fall asleep quickly, soundly, deeply, and sleep very well through the night. During the night, you'll dream. The more you dream, the stronger you become. I'm going to ask your unconscious mind to allow at least one of your dreams to be a very healing dream. Continuing this healing process in body, mind, and spirit, so that in the morning, at the time you've chosen to wake up, you wake up easily, feeling refreshed, energetic, and ready to start the day, again, powerfully moving forward into that ever more joyful experience of an ever greater abundance of health, wealth, happiness, and love, which are your birthright and which benefit others. Now go back down to 0, which is always deep sleep, allowing your mind, body, and spirit to digest all these positive thoughts and images, taking them in at a very deep level, so that these positive changes occur easily, effortlessly, and naturally. Coming up to 1, feeling physically relaxed. 2, feeling emotionally calm and confident. 3, health and well-being, enthusiasm, love, joy, and gratitude flowing through every muscle, nerve, fiber, tissue, cell, and atom of your body. 4, becoming more and more alert and aware of your surroundings. And 5 is eyes open, wide awake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eyes open, wide awake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eyes open, wide awake, and welcome back.